Hey there, it's Ashley with WTI, and if you are looking for a beautiful necklace, I highly recommend this one from Fettero. This is their tiny gold heart initial necklace. And this necklace is so cute. It's so petite. It's beautiful. I love how shiny it is. You can get your letter from the alphabet. They do all 26 letters, and it's a 13.8-inch chain plus the 2-inch extension. The extension has the cutest little rhinestone on the edge of it, which makes it really cute. If you have your hair up, that rhinestone is hanging down in the back. It's 14 karat gold plated, and it's engraved with your letter of the alphabet. So for me, my name is Ashley. I have an A on it, and I just love it. I have this on all the time now. I don't take it off. I go to sleep with it. I shower with it, and I have had no problems with the quality. It hasn't turned on me. It hasn't left any marks. It's really easy to adjust this into more of a choker style. I like to wear it like that as well. And then you can see here how it just hangs down on the back of your neck, and it's really just very feminine. And I also like leaving it long depending on what top I'm wearing. Sometimes I just go ahead and leave it longer on my neck. If you're getting this for yourself, it's an excellent little pick-me-up, but if you want to get it for a friend as a gift, it is just beautiful. I also really like that this can be worn by younger girls as well. And that is my point of view.